Want to know how to link or save your Google AI Studio to a cloud storage? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to know is that the Google AI Studio already comes built in with a save function with Google Drive. That's right. So for that, you need to head towards building an app. So right here on the left side, you can see build. This is the build icon, so simply select it. This is building apps with Gemini. Now you need to open up a project. We have also created a video on how to open up a project. You can just simply select here and select the type of project you want to make it. If you want more details, make sure to watch our video. Now I already have a saved project just like this right here. Now just simply select the project that you want to open. Now you need to keep in mind that this only works for projects and the apps that you have created. And now once you're there, here you need to make sure to make any changes first up. So I'll just delete this small part of this project right here, and it shows on saved right here on the right side. Now in order to save it right here, you can see save app, and right beside you can also see copy this app. You can simply select any one of these. So since you want to link it and save it with cloud storage, just simply select save app, or Google Drive name should pop up. Now you can just simply edit out your name and then select continue. And once that is done, I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.